Solarpop is a distributor of tabletop board gaming products in South Africa. We consider ourselves a value-added distributor because besides supplying the product into the country to retailers, we also focus heavily on building a board game culture in South Africa.
Families getting together, sitting down, having a nice social interaction.
So even though we're dealing in cardboard products at the end of the day, the technology is absolutely essential for us to handle what we're doing at scale.
Our customers are essentially a very big spectrum of different customers, all retail customers.
Logistics, importation of goods became very complex, so we needed technology to help us not just on basic accounting, but full-blown wholesale distribution.
It's a complicated process. So now if you throw in 20 customers buying 50 lines each, it's a time thing.
I think with NetSuite, we've been able to become a very responsive operation. I feel like we have our finger on the pulse in terms of where all our stock is, what is the status of all our customers, their accounts, what is the status of all our orders that are in progress, any inbound shipments. We just have a much better handle on all of it.
With NetSuite, now it's real time. We are scanning it on scanners through barcodes. The system is really robust. It really helps us to be able to make sure that we are as accurate as we possibly can be with our stock.
So Suite Commerce for us is a new channel for us to deal with our customers. It is a way for our retailers to experience doing business with Solarpop as if they were shopping on an online platform in their private capacity. And I think in month 3 already, 49% of our business was done on that platform. For me, BlueBridge One made a huge difference in terms of us being ready to go and trade with the NetSuite platform on day one. What's become important to the management of Solarpop is having real-time information out of NetSuite.
NetSuite has really helped us being leaps and bounds above and beyond anything that any of our competitors are doing right now.